What's up, y'all? I'm back here today. I have the JBL CLIP 3 Bluetooth speaker. A little portable speaker for you. You take it to work or play some music in the yard with it. I picked it up from Office Depot for about $69.99. It's a pretty cool speaker. Let's unbox this thing real quick. Okay, you got some paperwork. Let's see if we can get into that. Got the USB cable charger. Okay. Let's crack this thing open. Alright. It's probably like instructions and stuff like here. You know, warranty stuff. Okay. Throw that over there. Alright. See what we have here. Okay, it tells you how to charge it, how to hook it up to your phone, how to connect the Bluetooth. Okay, that's cool. We need that. Let's see, it's probably some information in different languages that we don't really want to look at, but we need it. Okay, here's another booklet. What's in here? Bunch of stuff. Okay, let's put that aside. I keep my booklets in the box. So let's take this Bluetooth apart from the plastic container. All right. Okay, let's get busy. Here it is. Let's get busy. All right. The feeling, I love the feeling of it. Nice little rubbery outside. I love the look of it. I love the color. I love the color of the clip. You know, it looks like the clip won't just break off of the speaker. You can put it on your belt, put it on your belt loops, on your pants, hook it up to your book bag. Here's where you charge. You got an auxiliary port here. Okay, got the Bluetooth button, power button. You got the play button on the front. Let's turn this thing on. Okay, see what it sounds like. Hook it up to my phone. Play some music from my SoundCloud, because I make music too. You can go to my website and find that out. And let's play some music. All right. Here we go. I love this little speaker. It's perfect for me. I take it to work, put it on my desk. You know, don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.